Here I have Cat S53, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section, and here in accessibility you can find TalkBack. You can enable it just like this, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts.
Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So as you could hear, TalkBack is mostly made for people with blindness or some other vision problems who have difficulty seeing the screen, and it works the way that it just speaks out loud items on your screen. So for example, I tap close.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
And this action gets spoken out loud. And also how you could hear, to confirm any action you have to just double tap anywhere on the screen.
Close tutorial.
To confirm
Close.
it.
TalkBack.
So for example, if you want to disable TalkBack,
double tap to activate.
select
Use
here,
TalkBack.
double tap, and
Stop.
once again.
TalkBack off.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.